Roar! Hello guys. Yeah, you can see I move. I can't, no you can't really see my face. I gotta straighten this out. It's actually not working very well. But, roar. So, I was just a spirit freaking out. And, hold on 1 sec. Wait, got it. Yeah. See that? Yes. Favorite Halloween? The werewolf. So, do I look anything like the werewolf? Tell me if I do. So, actually be a lot better if I put the mask on. Because I would scare you guys. Hold on. Familiar? Huh? Yep, the book part is blah. 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 Actually very funny. So, like down below and comment down below. Don't forget to 1 sec. Bye and roar.